Sometimes I come outside my compound, I don't know what to do. I go back inside the house again. For 2 good years, I was planning until that very opportunity came for Israel. And I took that opportunity and I never look back and regret that decision. Guys, now double tap. As a lady, if you find yourself here, if you get change the history of your family, you will take care of your siblings. You will take care of yourself. You make genuine money. You make 100 million the genuine. You plan your life. Once you start to make money that is very genuine, once you start to work hard, your mentality will change. A lot of things will change about you. You become financially disciplined. Financial discipline, the kuiche, but you don't know how to use it because of the source, the way you say wanted the money. But in our law, in our let me just put it like that. Yes, but in a way that now you cannot do, you can do it. But once the end of the month, you are seeing the result. You are growing. Mentally, you are growing. You are financially, you are growing. And I figure from 5 million, 10 million, 10 million, 15 million, 50 million, 50 million, 60 million, you will see yourself growing. And once you start to have discussion with people, your mindset is changing. You begin to sound the way that God made you to sound. Some of you people now, you can work because of your alert, because of the account balance, on a make influence. Because you have never started making that money in that genuine way. And with time you go now build wealth, you start to talk with a little bit authority. About pride. I want you to go. Go to Lagos for me. Go to Enugu for me. Jemelumiya. People will be doing things for you instead of you being the one asking people to do for you to do something for them. People will be working for you. You start to build that house. A lady no buda 21 self-contained before nwoke anoya no buda. Enjoy and neti lugo kweni year before. Was not go kwe demand no problem. But now with a gun and with an that she want to build it with this man. First first 3 years or be about call 21 self-contained on your own asaba. And now more than 11 million naira. Why can't we encourage ourselves, our people? Na allow people na aligenu na apiaka, allow ike, allow na ebakwa. If la allow na ebakwa. Lollipop na eme na amu lolly na ebakwa, your own spirit inside in ebakwa. Also again, this is not the way. Game okay, in a use in the wrong way. Your spirit in a backward. There are many things that you could use that money to do. And when they get use that money help. Because if we are saying that our women have become cheap, what about our men that are facilitating these things? If everybody can take the blame, then we all come together and say, what is the way? What is the solution? Your so-called celebrities are the because everybody enjoy from the devastation of the country. Everybody okay for an adoloma wulundinze kedindibundize and we people gain from the state of Nigeria now, and we people gain from all this destabilization, this poverty and we people they happy about it. Me, I'm not happy, and I know so many of you are not happy. Business in a man and he decided because he will just go. But there are times that you plan for yourself. 100 million, what would I have done? Get 100 million bank here. Can I bank it and go and learn something? What is your dream? Many of you people with a dream. Many of you people, when growing up, you had dreams. Gone are the days. Now, this present dispensation, the owner of your life. Watch men. Most women now today are being abused and suffering in marriage. Why most women also are going into the marriage with ulterior motive. Abakwana the marriage I got outside and they cheat because they never loved at first time. Everything was based on pretense and at the end of the day. If the foundation is wrong, the structure cannot be right. And when things keep them awake, and when things in our body, whenever I put this live, I want to talk to our people. I want to bring up change. I want people to start to reason from a very good perspective. You can become an owner of companies. You get one fish farm, you get one things in them, and God will start to bless you. Let me tell you, once you begin to make money, and God blesses you, you will see your money rising. You will see your money rising. Bank will be telling you, okay, sir, okay, ma, what do you want, sir? Okay, what do you want, ma? But when your present situation now determine who you are. Who you are is not by now. Who you are going to be in 5 years' time, that is who you are. Bishop Uchoku, hey, Bishne Woku, wisdom. But I listen to God. I calm down. I have to change. I have to do a lot of things within myself. I have to communicate myself. I have to self-reserve. And with those things that I have to do before I start to display all these potentials in our phone. If I didn't do it, I cannot be here with you. If I didn't stop many things, I cannot be here with you. If I didn't leave the street when I'm supposed to leave it, I cannot be here with you. I would have been gone by now. You wouldn't have known this person. Celebrate this moment with me. Tap from the grace. Mutate something. Put you into your life. Become a different person. Bring your family together. Boy your brother. Boy your sister. Boy your mother. Boy your father. Sit them down. Tap from this information in and whatever. Talk to your people from a different angle and they will be looking at you like this. I want to call what is wrong is wrong. It doesn't matter if it is in your family. How do we do this thing? How can we break this bondage of poverty? In the right way. And we plan to their stake. Okay, go there. Can you travel with stop sending your children to the street. Send the Zunoma zone Malaysia. Send the Zunoma zone Thailand. Send the Zunoma zone Indonesia. Send the Zunoma zone China without knowing having a finances to do business. Send your people to Ebobnaga Galolo name where they go. Make those inquiries before you jump into this wagon. As a woman, Pusinga Dubai, Pusinga Kuwait, Pusinga Ebige, no me house help in Onimona, Apochegi, or a modern slavery. There are countries that you can walk, you can come out, you can slay, you can make a post, you can look good. At the end of the day, you can still work hard and your money will be key. You'll just be rising. Monetarily, you are growing. Financially, you are getting balanced. Your mentality are not changing. Obuno Versace kichi, he save we go after 3 months, he just go to Versace. Obuno Gucci kichi, Obuno Reebok, Obuno Nike, Obuno Adidas kichi. Whatever, Obuno New Balance, whatever label that you want to wear, you will now start to see. If at the end of the day, you get much of those things in your wardrobe, you'll be like, wow, I used to struggle. I used to lay down on the bed for a man to sleep with me before I can get this thing. If you make your plans right, you will end up becoming the boss. You will end up not being the one manipulated. And you ask yourself, would I use my money now to manipulate people? One thing after you make chego, another thing nechego, kezi yige use the ego me. Ebukone nuche ni ego ki use it for the wrong reasons. And we couldn't uche ki use ego ki manipulate people. People dealt with me when I didn't have money. Now that I have money, I want to use less. I want to use men. I want to do this. I want to do this. I want to do this. So don't have that mentality. Write down your story. Every story is special. Every story is unique. Your struggles, ki se to, kandibunu se tafofo, kesile wenwe bread, kesile wenwe wakuko. Your journey. Kiss we blue side chick, kiss we na bakuna, everything as a man, kiss we zuochi, kiss we back inside, kiss we mwafia, everything in a kabika now. If there is light at the end of the tunnel, when the story will be displayed, open bang again display those stories, you will see that people will embrace you for who you are there. Nobody want to associate with you much now because of your present circumstances, your condition, who you are now. But tell yourself, who I am now does not define the real me. The real me is who I'm going to be. I can't wait to show the world who I'm going to be. I can't wait to show my neighbors who I'm going to be. And with my schoolmates, forget about me. They're reaching out to me now. Bish, your video is going viral. Bish, your video is going viral. On this level, my friends, people that didn't talk to me, that are calling me. That is who you are. Don't look yourself, see finish. How do I work with it? No. 5 years ago, 7 years ago, I was lying down on my bed looking at the ceiling. I didn't know what to do. From China, but some of my money I use me about treasure at the end of the day. I was once like you. I didn't have 20,000 naira in my account. But even at then, I used to wake my father up. When my father didn't in bed, now my father come na, I wake my father up and say, Daddy, ngapo, I will travel. I said, yes, I know you believe yourself. Say ngapo, and then ngalo, and my life will never remain the same. I'm comment section since. Yes. Our own little group here, let's make the changes that we want. Our few people who trying on now, let's make those changes that we want. Take the truth that you have here, take it to somebody, somebody, but don't go to onye kama konye advice. Self-development is the motto of my page. If you can self-develop, I can sit and dine with you. I will not see you less. I will see you as an equal. Because every contribution you can make, I can add it to my own. There's no knowledgeable waste. I want women that will talk out, that will speak wisdom when they say something. Advice, you will not, a man now that girl saw some makalia, saw some care. You can something substance, something beyond the looks. This is what I want. This is the type of people I produce on this page. Young talk men that will not be talking about money. They can actually use their money to support the movement. No, but the actual men that once they speak, they can speak wisdom. People can grab it and put it to their life. In this world, the word that we speak is the most powerful thing. God created the world with word. Be mindful of what you listen to. A spirit or contradict your belief. Beware of things you listen to. Beware of the music that you play. A man not like this. If he go see my catalog, he ain't naked on YouTube. I listen to people also, but I don't just to listen to any person. Mosinga don't listen to my blog which I go. You also call celebrity. I don't share the same belief with these people. These people are deceiving our people. Thank you so much. Let's appreciate ourselves here, a little community. We are not looking to be famous. We are looking to change a few of us that can grab this mantle. A family of 7, that family, mommy, daddy, I know that things are very hard. It's not just by talking. I believe that if we can get it right in one way, that everything is going to be okay. Your family guys say, If your friends, I don't like these things. I cannot continue doing these things with you people. I can say, Chiomanawa for you. You mean, he said, I don't think I can continue. If we can also the team for the next 2 months. So when they make the team for the next 2 months, name more paper and more biggie. Now what God, no, God give me the courage. I don't want to do this thing. God, a broken and a contrite heart, the Lord does not forsake. The Lord something deep inside you. Your light want to shine, but people around you don't want the light. Just keep telling that light, you will shine. It's a matter of time. I will leave these people, and when that critical decision come, leave that condition in on him immediately. Your beauty will not help you these days, because most of you people, your beauty will only land you in a bed on the bed for another man. Another man believe that his money will land him with your beauty. Somebody is putting forth money, you are putting forth your body. Somebody is putting forth money, you are putting forth your body. How is this thing equivalent? And the next person in Aju or say money is everything. Yes, money is good, but the love of money that made you to compromise your integrity, that made you compromise your priority, made you to compromise who you are, that is the wrong thing. Don't be deceived, and don't let anybody just speak words and you go with their word and you allow it to germinate something in you. Be mindful. When a spirit is very, very restrictive, be very, very principled. The ones we love everybody on this page, or the extraordinary. I'm a block people on daily basis. I blocking people. And I locha ata from Oka every day. When I go to my post, only open comment in rubbish. Somebody say me block gidi. Well, I'm not losing. We are not losing. Many are called, few are choosing. Yes. Thank you, Achalugo. Otutu ka akpo, but obele ka alolo. Few. I lot of 10 girls on this page. They live a pure life for themselves. They agile, Maliane, and save good humanity. I lot of 7 men at this page. They are just change from their past, blue men of integrity, men of principle, men that will value family. Eba I build people that will cherish family. Family amaka. A father, a mother, the children. Otoloto. I actually polygamous in nature na page. And actually polygamous in nature na page. Ibulu polygamous in nature na page. Mwete yi mwulish mawayon. I tell people God contented, not only financially contented, marital contentment. We have never spoken about this. It should be my next topic. Marital contentment. High libido, go for high libido. Low libido, go for low libido. But anything that is just exceeding that high libido, you're a freak or a demon. I don't say that you cannot admire somebody outside. The mind is always in the battle. The mind is always in the battle with the flesh. You got to find girl, you gave me admire, but you will not make the move to get that fine girl. That is now the discipline. You got to find guy outside or but you will not make the move. You will not fall for that thing because nail for digging. That is the discipline. That is the people IG providing at this stage. This is the type of people. I want to thank you from South Africa. In this South Africa, I have a lot of history with you people. In fact, my journey in South Africa will never be forgotten. I love South Africa, but sometimes I ask God, why did I end in South Africa? Somebody now said, Bish, South Africa made you who you are today. Spending 7 years in South Africa was not easy for me. Thank you so much. Be different. Brew a different product on this page. Bully motaya outside. Those text messages in a way there, either in the morning as Agianambode, posting that message. Go for people that cherish you. When people come into your life, allow them to cherish you. Then in stages of that time, and they cherish you, pretentious or any ulterior motive. Then bitch, they can get some ulterior motive, and when they are tested, they will fall. This is the only difference. When the test will come, they will fall, they will succumb. Bish. Thank you so much, my brother. They can get some money the pretentious. They can get some money the ulterior motive. When the test come, they will succumb. How do I know? You have to be watchful. And when 3 things that make you, your spirit, your soul, and your body. When you are loving, bidogodu with your body, nabugodu the spirit. Bidogodu with your body and your mind. Be a detective. And when somebody money and they make you, a girl money and they make you know, but the girl had a video call, the girl had as a WhatsApp call. The girl had the also no be detective. The girl you on a phone, gini ani woku na normal call. Olapugi, onege ye name na background. I see this girl, kidi man. Once you notice in no way, or say no, I want to end it. How many of you people can end it as a girl? She's on top of her game. Yeah, we girl money and women call, but on top of her game. I've never seen that type of person. I want most of you to be like her, like that girl. She's in control. Bish, I don't want to see you anymore. Say why? You know why? I feel like you don't have my time. I want somebody serious for myself. How many of you people can say it? How many of you people can do it? I felt rejected, but I'm happy because she's saying the truth. I didn't have her time. And when I'm time for her, I was giving her a tip. Yes. But a girl who somewhere, on my lebonage, on my yocho, or jilaki decide their yocho. On a lechete make her wunu meko, on a lechete, and say, what about it? I say, Mumba, I don't think about those things. It was nice knowing you, Bish. We're strong mind, we're strong spirit. Stop being emotionally down, emotionally weak. Stop letting your weakness control your imadi, your strength. Most of you people are is stronger than how weak you are. You only look at those weaknesses. Like a man, if you're a man, listen to me. Stop being weak. The guy in there counseling yesterday, Angelinka break alone. My guy opening here, just it's a case study. A guy in there counseling today. Yesterday, Ochenonya with the predictor. At first, I be do therapy the guy. I know the guy with the problem. At the end of the day, I know the girl with the manipulator. The girl with the person they use the guy. At the end of the day, Mwaka, I release. We don't release the fire. The boy I like clear. Because I didn't want on a lot of advice. But on a page, I mean, on a lot of advice. You get with it. You could tell you 3 years coming, you will come back and cry. You shed tears, but that time there will be no help for you. Thank you, everybody, and God bless you. I see you this evening. Couldn't like this program. Sometimes I will be very, very calm and be talking. Thank you so much, everybody. 48 hours. Okay, Bonnie Bell, I'm not rewinding yours because screenshot you are going for 8 hours. Thank you so much. Bonnie Bell, welcome. Thank you guys. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the good messages. I really appreciate you guys. Be the change that you want to, like you admire from other people. Become that change. That part I like about Bish, be it for yourself. Be a very critical decision maker. Just the very mean, the quite loving, the quite kind, but you want to go anything that way hurt you. Take it out. This evening, 7 p.m. Nigerian time, same time, but on this my page. Thank you guys so much. God bless you all. See you guys in the evening. Bye.